a stronger storm could hit a lower property value area, and you're going to have lower insured and economic losses. The real main problem would be a direct hit on Tampa Bay. So if you go, Hurricane Ian was a little further south a couple of years ago. That was $65 billion in insured losses. We're thinking this one just early could be tens of billions, could be in that $65 billion range. It could be higher, frankly, if it hits as a stronger storm. So that's what happens there. And the path can shift pretty rapidly. So it's going to be down to the last minute before we actually know what will happen with insured losses.
Hey, Matt, if I'm an insurer, why do I even write business in Florida? It seems like these poor folks are getting hammered multiple times.
A lot don't anymore,
every year,
right?
I guess.
So yeah, good question, Paul. So a lot don't. The large national carriers that we cover, a lot of them have avoided the region. Allstate is there, Progressive is there, so those are probably the two biggest public insurers. State Farm is one of the biggest there. That's not public. It's a mutual company. The companies that really have will probably take the brunt of this are Florida specialty writers, so they're Universal Insurance, Heritage Insurance. They focus mainly, if not exclusively, on that Florida market, and those stocks are down significantly in the teens to 20% today.
When we take a look at the insured losses, I mean, maybe tens of billions, you said maybe this is $65 billion range. What do we then extrapolate that the uninsured losses are? Because that was the part with Hurricane Helene that just sort of, the numbers are staggering.
Yeah, so the numbers are early, and I'm skeptical of some of the numbers out there for the economic losses. Typically, the insured loss, maybe you're looking at 40% or half of the losses. But what has happened in these events with large surge and flooding is that the insured portion becomes a lot smaller. The Tampa Bay, I believe it was the Chamber of Commerce, had put out a report in 2020 looking at what if a Category 5 hurricane hit the area. And they had said just residential property losses were somewhere in the range of $300 billion in that event. This probably won't be that bad, and I don't know all the inputs that went into that, but you could see something like that, which would maybe extrapolate $100 billion insured loss. But those were numbers that came out from Tampa Bay.